Hi guys, just gone out and bought the Galaxy A10. This was £119 from Argos. I just wanted to check this out because the Galaxy A40 was around £180 to £200 and was an absolute brilliant smartphone. But for Christmas, if you are on a really tight budget and you want to have the peace of mind of a well-known brand and good support, then let's have a look at the A10. So I have the blue variant. Here are some of the specs. Infinity V display, 13 5-megapixel camera, slim design, 4G octa-core processor, 32 gigabytes of internal storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. And in the box we have a charger, a SIM tray tool, a micro USB charging cable, and we have earphones. So it has a 3.5mm socket. In here, pretty sure it's just manuals. Yeah, it gets some manuals in there. Okay, here she is, or he. Samsung Galaxy A10. It feels nice and light. Let's take the wrapper off. Okay. Well, yeah, it does remind me of the feel of the A40. The A40 is smaller than this, absolutely. Plastic back. Let's peel all these little protectors off around the edge. Okay, so we have the 13 megapixel sensor there with the flashlight, the Samsung logo. At the bottom there, a speaker, which I haven't seen a speaker on the back of a phone for ages. So budget device, a micro USB connector, 3.5mm socket, a microphone. So we have a SIM tray on the side there, and volume rocker and power on that side. So let's turn this on. We have a front-facing camera there as well. There we go, Galaxy A10. So yeah, it's slightly bigger than the A40, I believe. It's nice and light, and it is around £60 cheaper as well. Okay, so you can really see that Infinity V display now on show. I'm going to go ahead now and set this up. Okay guys, here we go. The display straight away is really nice. It is HD plus TFT panel with some superb viewing angles. Samsung always have really nice displays anyway. Brightness can go right up. Yeah, that's really nice. So with a little chin there at the bottom, fairly narrow bezels, and then obviously the front-facing camera there as well. So we have 8 cores, all 8 cores there are active. Octa-core processor Mali G71, 1520 by 720p display, 6.23 inches, total RAM 1.7, although it says 2 gigabytes of RAM on the box. Available RAM 561 megabytes at the moment, internal storage 24 gig. Obviously there's going to be some stuff reserved over for the operating system anyway. Okay, so in terms of applications, obviously you have Samsung's familiar and normal applications, but this is what you get out of the box, apart from obviously the CPUs that are installed. Pretty self-explanatory. There's no fingerprint sensor on the device, so you have the option for face unlock or pattern or password. So I've set up my Face ID already. Okay, and again. Yeah, that's fairly quick. So yes, you'll be using Face ID, I'd imagine, mainly on here, and obviously a pattern as well, or a pin you have to have combined with that as well. Software updates, let's check if there's anything available. And yes, there is a software update available, 114 megabytes. Cool, okay, so I'll let that download in the background. So yeah, looks and feels really nice for such a budget device. Very similar to the A40, but obviously the specs are a little lower. Let's open up the camera. So it looks like we have 2x optical zoom there as well. That looks pretty nice. Do have it in video mode as well. It looks like it. 2x optical zoom. Let's shoot a photo. Yep, that's not too bad. Now let's do a selfie. Again, that's not too bad either. A little bit of softness in there, but I'm happy with that quality for the price you pay. You can change the aspect ratio here as well, all the way to full as well. That's good. Now let's switch back to the rear and go on to video. Let's do a video then. Here we go, 1080p. So we have the Galaxy A10, a super Samsung budget smartphone, probably the cheapest on the market yet at the moment. Well, one of their newer devices. Testing image quality, sound quality, stabilization, and focusing. I mean, it doesn't seem to be doing too bad at all at the moment. It's good. Yep. Okay. So that looked pretty decent. So let's switch now to the front-facing camera in video. We have a few aspect ratio settings there. Let's go on to full. So that fills the screen. That looks really nice. Let's go. It's quite cropped in though. I have to have my arms at arm's length for the phone to get decently get sort of my body in. What do you guys think? Quality looks very, very good actually. So video quality, sound quality, stabilization, keeping in focus. Yeah, not bad at all actually. Okay. That's not too bad, a neat little camera. Let's check some of the video capabilities out on the A10. So we should be able to go up to 720p. Okay. Pinch zoom, so the screen is absolutely full. Let's put the brightness right up. Doesn't seem to be any sound with this. That looks superb. Look at that. Wonderful 720p HD plus TFT panel. Really nice. Might be a little bit bright there for the camera. Put it down a little bit. Yeah, the display is really nice. Really like that. Let's test this audio speaker on the back. Wow, that is loud. That much volume come out of that speaker. Although it's on the back, if I put it right up, you can still hear that, no problem at all, really. Yeah, brilliant, guys. Okay, guys, so I think that's pretty much it for the quick look at the Galaxy A10. Very, very impressed. Only £120. Has a 3,400 milliamp battery. It's only a 720p display, so I'm hoping for decent battery life. The camera performs pretty well, but one of the standout feature for me is the display. Beautiful display. Feels nice and comfy. Plastic back, so you are going to pick up a few fingerprints there. Bit of a fingerprint magnet, but feels nice. Loudspeakers nice and loud and clear. So yeah, if you're looking for a budget smartphone, Christmas or any time, this is probably the best Samsung have to offer at such an affordable price. So links will be in the description below, guys, if you want to take a look. Any questions, please pop them down below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.